Okay, so we're Saturday at about 11:45. The snow is really coming down now, and you can see that I have a huge drifting pile. I don't know if you can get the perspective from there. And the table that we've seen, as you could tell, that's got about 28, maybe 30 inches on it as we speak. The snow is coming down again very hard. And you can see all my trees in the back, totally covered. I would do a measurement. There's a bare spot on the deck there, and that's from the drifting. It just keeps blowing it away in that area. I'd say total we've got definitely close to 2 feet of snow at this point, and that is going to be a bear to clean off.